In this task, our team is working on a Kubernetes cluster, so that looking to deploy some applications, but they have some license keys on our system, so they want to mount it uh, inside the container. So instead of hard coding in YAML files, they will just want to mount it. So we use secrets for secrets data, the name suggests, but in Kubernetes, these secrets are not encrypted. They are simply encoded. Remember this, they are not encrypted, they are encoded. I'll show you that. So first we need to create a secret. So run the command Kubernetes kubectl create secret, and then generic secret. So we're going to use generic secret, and then we need to create secret from this file. So you can write hyphen from hyphen file, and then give the path /opt, and the file name is ecommerce.txt. Okay, we need to give the secret name as well. So the secret name is e-commerce. E-commerce. So this is the command. So if you check the file content /opt, that's e-commerce. If you run the command get secret, for instance, if you describe this, so just describe secret, describe, sorry, my bad, describe secret, and then secret name. So now you can see the data, it shows empty, but if you run the command get secrets and then secret name and then -o YAML, so now you can see the secret, the content. So it's encoded, base64 encoded. What you can do, you can run the command echo and then pipe base64-d for decode. Now it's been decoded to the original text. That's why these secrets are a bit secure but not encrypted. Okay, remember this part. So we made a secret now. Now create a pod, Kubernetes pod. Just get a sample skeleton. So we need from here, we don't need ports. Pod.yml and paste it, and then edit it accordingly. So the pod name secrets exfusion, secrets exfusion. Oh, sorry, that's a pod name. Yeah, that looks fine. Now the container name secret container exfusion. Okay, and we need to use the image Ubuntu and latest, Ubuntu with latest tag, and then so it says image sleep. We need to use the sleep command. Okay, if this image doesn't have anything to run, so we just it's automatically gonna exit. That's why we need to use command. I'm just gonna use sleep with around these many seconds. Now we need to create a secret to mount it. So you can say sorry, volume. Now just type volumes and then volume name. So volume name should be, did they give anything to verify the container? That looks fine. So they didn't give any name, so you can use any name. So I'm gonna say license, for instance. It doesn't matter, you can put any name. And here we are creating it from secrets, so that's why from secrets, and then give it secret name, secret, and the secret name is e-commerce. If you are wondering how I know this, you can do this Kubernetes secrets, click on it, and you can type volume or you can scroll down, you can see volumes. It should be anything, but it's from secret and then secret name. That's what we're doing. Just get the reference from the documentation. And now we need to mount it. Okay, now mount it. You can do volume mounts. And the volume name is license. We created this one. And then mount path. So we are going to mount slash opt apps. So that looks perfect. Now apply it. Okay, there is some configuration. Okay, it's an issue with command. Okay, it's expecting string. I forgot to put them in quote. Just put this number in quotes. So that's how you can debug. When you get it, if you get some error, just look at that error, try to read it. So that's the reason I figured it out. It says type string it's expecting. So into that's how we can rectify. That's fine now. If you run the command kgetpo, it's creating. Meanwhile, I'll write command kubectl exec -it and the pod name and then -, bash. If you get into this, if you run the command ls-l inside the slash opt apps, now you can see this file. If you try to use the cat command to look at the content, that's e-commerce. Now you got this. So this is how you can use secrets. Maybe it could be anything. If you just imagine you have your Docker image inside AWS ECR, Elastic Container Registry, and you want to pull it. So you need to have the credentials of that account, right? AWS account. So in that case, you can create secrets and you can dump them and you can pull the image even. I'll show you that parts with uh, ECR registry. For instance, if I you can look for image pull policy somewhere. Let me scroll down. Maybe you can type secrets. Yeah, image pull secrets. You can specify it actually. So that's how you can use. That's all for this video. Let's check the task results now. That's been successful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thanks again.